I introduced to you, new at Bambi Baby, is the Mima Xari Max, X-A-R-I, Xari. The Xari Max gives you a really large stroller seat where it has a comfort pad on the inside, which is memory foam, which is replaceable. So when Mima designs the stroller, it's designed to be an heirloom for your family and be handed down generation to generation because you can replace the interior liner. The seat capacity is 55 pounds and there's a lot of room in here. It's 18.5 inches of seat, really large area, very simple to turn around and install in both directions. It is bassinet capable and travel system capable, and I'm going to show you with this Cybex Cloud T to put my car seat adapters in. It's quite simple. It has nice enclosed storage down below for easy access to your personal belongings. Just pull out your adapters. Your adapters have a right and a left, and it's very simple to connect on either side. They use this Maxi Cozy universal adapter that'll take a Cybex car seat. It'll also take a Nuna car seat, but just line it up, drop it into place. It's very, very secure once it's in its position, and this Cloud T reclines up on top, which is really nice. I do not have to remove my adapters to fold it. I do like to follow a couple little steps. Flip my handle up, apply my brake down below. It has a safety lock on both sides. You just press, pull them on both sides, go right down to the ground, and slowly bring the wheels right back up. The stroller will stand, unlock it, roll it right back up, and it'll roll out. The adapters will come off by pressing the button down below. It's very simple to remove, and you can come in with your stroller seat, slide it into place. Very, very simple to use. The fabrics are ultra elegant, very simple to maintain and wipe because of its leatherette finish. The Xari Max is now available at bambibaby.com. Liking this video and subscribing is really, really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida, Paramus, New Jersey, Middletown, New Jersey, Long Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.